Hi, good morning, guys. So we're just gonna quickly discuss the answers. So take out your exercise books. Okay, so let's start with the number one. Okay, father jogs at the park because he is busy. Okay, so since he is busy, the answer should be seldom. So, and you have to put the adverbs of frequency before the verb. So the answer should be father seldom jogs at the park because he is busy. Okay, number two, my father washes the car because he likes it clean. So if you like the car clean, you have to wash it often, right? So the answer should be my father often washes the car because he likes it clean. Okay, number three, Bob puts sugar in his tea because he has a sweet tooth. Okay, puts is the verb. Okay, so he has a sweet tooth. Sweet tooth means someone who likes something sweet. Okay, if you like donuts, chocolate, cakes and all that, that means you have a sweet tooth. That means you like to eat sweet things. Okay, so Bob puts sugar in his tea, so that means he often, right, or always, right, Bob always puts sugar in his tea because he has a sweet tooth. Okay, number four, Mrs. Tan dines in restaurants which serves a variety of food. Okay, dines is the verb because dines means you are eating. Okay, for example, if you say dine in, that means makan dekat dalam lah. That means you are eating inside the restaurant. Okay, so which serve a variety of food. So this one you can either you can say sometimes, often. Okay, you can say any of these three lah. Right, so you can say Mrs. Tan often dines in restaurants which serve a variety of food. Okay, number five, we play near the used mining pool because it is dangerous. Okay, if it is dangerous, you never, right? You never do, right? So the answer should be we never play near the used mine pool because it is dangerous. Okay, good. Okay, number six, my brother helps my mother to keep the house clean when he is free. Okay, so helps is the verb. Okay, when he is free, so that means maybe you can say sometimes lah, right? My brother sometimes helps my mother to keep the house clean when he is free. Okay, good. I hope you have marked all the answers, and I hope you got all of it correct. Okay, so for this one, I think you can just maybe show your parents. You can just construct any of these sentences lah, right? You can say Jesslyn sometimes does revisions and all that. Okay, so now everyone turn to page 120. Okay, so you have already learned this in school. Okay, but I'm going to just quickly do a revision on this because this is very important. We're going to do indefinite articles and definite articles. So when are we going to use indefinite articles and when are we going to use definite articles? Okay, so let's look at the example for indefinite article. Okay, the roof is designed to give the impression of a dragon. Okay, a dragon. It resembles an elephant, which is part of Thai culture. Okay, so we use an for vowels and we use a for consonants. Okay, for example, the words a and an are called indefinite articles. A is used for words which begin with a consonant sound. Okay, so for example, building, you say B, right? It's a B, so we use a. Dragon, D, so we use a. Giant, G, right? So we use a. For an is used for words which begin with a vowel sound or a silent H. Okay, so this is a vowel sounds. Okay, you know what is vowel, right? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, all the vowel sound. For example, H. Okay, right? H, it can be like a vowel sound. For example, an architect, so R, right? A, E, R, A, E, right? So these are vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. This one, an earthquake. Okay, this one is also the sound is right? Earthquake. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, right? So this one also we use. Okay, for this one, hour. Okay, this one you don't say hour. Okay, you don't sound, or you don't, the H is silent. You don't make a sound of it, right? You don't say hour, you say hour. hour, same as our, hour. Okay, so we use an hour. Okay, same for goes for this one. Okay, we do not put a or an before plural noun because a and an means one. Okay, a and an, so automatically it's one. We do not use an before a word that begins with a vowel that makes y sound. We use a instead. For example, a unicorn, a university, a used car. Okay, so because this one, even though this is all these u's are a part of vowels, a e i o u, but the sound has y in front of it, like unicorn, you see, unicorn, university, u is like y sound, right? Even though it's not there, but it has the y sound, so we use a. Used car, used car, so it has the y sound. Okay, so for this exercise, I don't think so you have to do this, because we already done this in the class before, so you don't have to do this. I'm just going to give you a quizzes exercise on this. Okay, now let's move on to the definite article, which is the. Okay, the handles are heated to prevent ice from forming. Okay, the is also known as definite article. The is used for a particular person or thing. The is something special when we are referring to someone, just one person, so that means we use the. Okay, for example, the roof, the architect, the owner. Okay, when we say the roof, which roof, right? Maybe you can say the roof that is broken, or the roof of Ayman's house, for example. Okay, the is used to refer to things that is more than one. Okay, if the things are more than one, okay, if it is only one, we use a or an because it's automatically just one. Okay, if we use the is used to refer to things that is more than one. For example, the fruits, the people, the buildings. Okay, the is also used for something that is only one of its kind. For example, moon. There is only one moon in the world, right? There is only one solar system in the world. There is only one sun. Okay, so that is why we use the moon, the solar system, the sun, the KLCC, right? And all those all the things that is only one in the world. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understood what we learned today about indefinite articles and definite articles. If you still don't understand, you can just make a quick Google search. You have your phone in your hand, or you're watching on a computer. Okay, you have the internet connection, so you can just quickly Google through it and read on your own. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. I will see you again next week. Goodbye.